All right, I got a nice new collectible for my Zippo collection today. And one of the sponsors is, of course, Hostess Twinkies. And these are the, let's see, the pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice limited edition Twinkies. They're excellent. Nice light pumpkin spice taste. And my secondary sponsors are, this is the Walmart brand Earl Grey Black Tea. This is an excellent tea. I'm really happy. It's the first time I tried the house brand or the Walmart brand. All the other black teas are kind of expensive, but that's a really good one. Especially, I use the stevia to sweeten it up a little bit. 5 or 6 drops of this stuff. It's a liquid sweetener. And stay away from that sugar. So this is a sweetener. It's called stevia. It's worth a try if you've never tried it. And just to show that I'm not leaning one way or the other, my other sponsor is another great value, and it is White American pasteurized prepared cheese product. Oh man. And I am really disappointed with this stuff. It's a cheese product. And let's see on the back. And one thing it says in here, it contains a bioengineered food ingredient. But I tried this on a burger, and I tried it on a salad, and it's just nasty. So the singles, great value, White American pasteurized prepared cheese product slices, and there's like I don't know, there was 16 or 17 of them. I think I tried 2. That's going right in the trash after this video. So let's take a look at the new Zippo. And it is called the Joker card. And it's got the idiotic P65 warning on it, and it is made, or was made, in Bradford, PA 16701. That's the normal Zippo black box, and here is the Joker. It's on kind of a tumbled case. Got a good sound, steel insert. It lights up pretty good. And in my collection I have several Jokers. Now this one, I really like this one. This is a mirror finish Joker. And it was made in, looks like 2009. That's really a good one. And another one, same Joker. This one has a little bit better finish on the white part of that sticker. That one is kind of grainy. This one's nice and really, you can see the difference even in the reflection. That's a good one, and that was made in, let's see, that was made in 2011. Pretty good stampings on that one. This one had real good stampings on the Joker face. And the last one, I think I have maybe one more somewhere. This one, it's the Poker Joker, Casino Joker. It's got that street chrome. And it was made in, looks like 2018. Nice stampings on that. So that's the new Joker, collectible Joker. They're not scarce, they're just, for me, they're collectible. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Joker. And the Joker passes just fine. One more collectible to my Zippo collection. And Zippo's original and genuine Zippos are all made in the USA and definitely deserve cowbell. Knuckle bomb.